Alrighty guys, what's going on? So today I'm going to be talking to you about the Farberware Never Needs Sharpening 22-piece kitchen set. So yeah, this is the model is like 515-2501. There are a couple different models of these. This is definitely the more inexpensive version. We just needed to get a knife set just for this next couple of months. We just moved into a place and we're like, okay, get something just cheap for now that we can use. And if it works, it works. And if it doesn't, it doesn't. But so far, this has been pretty solid. I don't have many bad things to say about this. So yeah, I'll kind of dive into it and show you guys kind of what you get when you get this little set. So it's definitely inexpensive. That was one of the first things. Knife sets can cost a lot of money, you know, and we do some cooking for sure, and we have some serious, I guess, more serious knives that we use. So we just want to get like a set for just easier things that, you know, cutting fruits or maybe little slices of meat or whatever. Nothing like too serious. So yeah, this comes with 22 different tools. You have your stainless steel knives, which are all in here, as well as a few other things that you get with it. Pretty much any cutlery that you would need, or any type of cutting that you would need to do, you can do it with this set. You have your chef's knives, your bread knives up at the top, bigger ones right here, serrated knives, serrated utility knives, the Santoku, you got a paring knife, you have steak knives. So you know, you really got everything up in here. You also have this pair of all-purpose kitchen scissors, which is great. Yeah, I mean, it's got a little bottle opener right here too, which is really nice. So that's cool, just like cool, you know, it's nice to have everything just packed up in one set. And then you get the extras as well, which are over here. You get 5 plastic measuring spoons, blah, blah, blah. As well as you get these little spatulas, you know, like flat top spatula, angled spatula, jar spatula. Really just like simple. These ones I would probably honestly not really ever use. They're very flimsy. I mean, look, they just bend. The handles aren't really solid. I mean, I guess the rubber on top is okay, but I have ones with like wooden handles that are a little sturdier. And honestly, just because they just feel so cheap, I just wouldn't even see myself using them. I'll keep them around, but you know, it's not like a thing that I foresee myself cooking with. So the blades are built for, it's like no sharpening. That's kind of like the thing, is you don't ever need to sharpen them. I think it's because each blade is built with these little micro-serrations in them, so you can see, you can't really see, it's very small. But each blade has these little serrations in them, and that's essentially what makes them so you don't have to sharpen them all the time. I haven't really used them enough to know if the non-sharpening thing is true, but so far, you know, they're really solid. I haven't had any issues with them. Grip on these knives is pretty good as well. You know, it's kind of like a plasticky, not really like a heavy duty like rubber like you would see on maybe some more expensive knives, but you know, it's nice. It's non-slip. It'll keep you nice and safe. So it's, you know, it's not a huge thing. They're not the highest quality, but yeah, so pretty solid. And then the knives and scissors are all placed inside of this nice looking wood block. Very solid. It's definitely got some weight to it. Feels heavy. It's just like an overall nice piece of sanded natural wood. Stores everything really well. Looks really nice. I think it doesn't get as dirty as like some holders would get. And yeah, and then you have the little Farberware logo right there. I think it's just like it looks great. And you know, kind of gives your kitchen. We have a very modern style kind of kitchen, so it's nice to break it up with something that's more organic and natural. But yeah, if you're looking for a good and expensive knife set to have that gives you a little bit of, you know, extras, I would highly recommend this. Again, it's the Farberware 515-2501 Never Needs Sharpening 22-piece set, kitchenware set. Yeah, check it out.